Hello there, welcome to Littletek Pro. Today we're going to discuss about how to install GitHub Copilot extension into IntelliJ. So we're going to follow certain step which is provided in the GitHub docs, and I'm going to put link in the description. So we're going to follow these certain steps to install the GitHub Copilot extension in IntelliJ, and we're going to deep dive into how does it work to write a program. So how does it make faster way? So let's get started. If you are new to the channel or would like to see the similar content, subscribe to the channel, press bell icon for the notifications. So first let's go to the IntelliJ. So I'm going to create a new project here. So the project name I'll give test GitHub Copilot. New project. Then I'm going to create a Maven project. Click on next here. And here also I'll give test GitHub Copilot. Click on finish. Alright, the new project is created as GitHub Copilot. So next step is we need to go to the IntelliJ IDE from the menu bar, click on that, then go to this Preferences tab, click on that, then go to this Plugin tab, Plugin, then go to Marketplace here, click on this Marketplace and search for GitHub Copilot. This is the first one we could see here. I'm going to install, click on Install button, so it's installing now. Alright, it's installed now and it's saying restart the IDE. I'll do that. Click on the restart IDE button and click on restart button. Alright, so IntelliJ is restarted after the installation of GitHub Copilot extension. So next step is go to the menu bar, click on the tools, and you could see here the option called GitHub Copilot. And here you could see the option called login to GitHub Copilot. Click on that. So now you could see this. Here's the device code, you could see it here. So you need to copy that by clicking on this copy and open button. Click on that. So here you need to paste the code. So once you do that, click on continue button. Then you need to click on Authorize GitHub Copilot plugin here. So this is the option here. Click on that button. So now you could see here, congratulations, you are all set. So click on the close this window. Now you could see it here. Say successfully log into GitHub for GitHub Copilot. So now also you could see here GitHub Copilot icon is showing here. That means you're good to go. So GitHub Copilot extension now installed and log in the IntelliJ. So now let's deep dive into the power of GitHub Copilot, how it helps to write a program. So under the source, under the test, I'm going to create a file. So I'm going to create a new file, Java class. I'll give, just for example, I'll give a leap year. So just create this. So you could see this file has been created. I'll enter the comments here, write a program. So you could see there's automatic the suggestion is coming for a leap year. So I say program to see automatically saying to check if a year is a leap year or not. To accept this, I need to press a tab. So it's accepted. So after that, you see I just enter this and automatically it's coming as here. You could see public static void main string. I didn't write any lines of code. It's giving everything. If you try to accept it, just press a tab. That's it. Now program is created. So let's run this program. To run this program, you can do right click and run the program, or Ctrl+Shift+R is going to execute the program. It's building now. You could see it here. So see, it's passes 2020. So 2020 is a leap year. So we have passed 2023 and again run this program. So you see 2023 is not a leap year. So what are the program is written by GitHub Copilot is working fine. So suppose now it is a hard-coded 2023 value. Suppose I want to take an input from a user instead of, we can write that program as well. So let's do that. So I'll write a Java program here, Java class. So I'll give a name as leap year input from user. So let's write this. So I'll put the comments here, write the program. You could see here giving the time, everything. So I'm going to say write a program to check leap year or not by checking input user inputs. You see automatically it's coming. So that's great. So what I'll do, I'll click on this, then on the public. So here whatever giving this last program, I don't want to use this. So what I'll do, I'll just write public static void main string. Alright, so to take an input from a user, I need a scanner class. So I'll do scanner. So see, automatically when I put the scanner, automatically it's taking scanner details. So I'll just press tab. So you see next line is automatic coming. So when I enter, okay, I just press tab. So this is coming automatically, that's good. After that, I want to do if year mod 4 equals to 0, system.out.println leap year. Else automatically is coming as else. So I'll press tab, enter, and next line is coming out. I didn't type anything. So now my program is ready. So let's run it. So it's asking enter a year. So I'll enter 2023. It's not a leap year, so I'm going to run it again. Type 2024. It's a leap year. So like this, you see here, once you install any type of program, you could ask to the GitHub Copilot. It's going to give you suggestion, and it's very easy to learn. So like any program with like Java, Python, all these things you could do. For a beginner, whoever learning the programming, you could use this tool, and it's for 2 months. It's free. There is another video regarding the GitHub Copilot function. All the details I'll put link in the description. Hope you like this video. Keep learning and happy learning. Thank you. If this content is useful for you, don't forget to like and comment. It means a lot to me. See you next video. Thanks again. Namaste.